Here's my TMat, and I took this TMat out of my Bronco, and then we got some extra pieces to make it fit the Gladiator. As you can see here, I have my Tough Built box, and I have my table and my Millipron box, and these little feet here, they hold stuff into place. So I got my diesel heater on the ground, so when we leave, what I'll do is I'll put my diesel heater flush up there, and then I'll take 2 of those and then I'll pinch it in these cool little stars, and that will keep it in place from bouncing around. So wheeling all day, it has not shifted or moved. And the cool thing about this system is you can put your fingers in there and grab it because it's not bolted down, and you can tug it and pull it all the way to here if you need to get what's in these boxes. Now, my gear is pretty heavy, so it stays in there pretty firm. And if you want, you can add a couple more pieces here where it won't move at all. But typically when I don't have a camera in my hand, I'll grab it with 2 hands and I'll slide it out onto the tailgate of the Gladiator. I'll get out what I need. You can see I have my recovery ropes up there. I am using a roller cam buckle strap on Millipron's box, so that holds that up. But it's really cool. You can do a bunch of different layouts with this. Arrange boxes. There's different style cleats. The cleats I like also are the 3D printed ones. So you have a couple corners. Then on this side, you have the flat sides. And then the way these feet work here is they move in and out, and then you squeeze here, and there's like little teeth. So you have a flat side. You just figure out what side's gonna need support and lock it down. The tan box is pushed up against the cab of the bed because, you know, why waste one when you can just push it forward, because you can grab this and slide it out. So I just use these to secure it from sliding. So yeah, TMat, awesome product. I'll put the link down in the description down below where to buy it. And also, there's like these little mounting holes for eye hooks in case you want to run a strap and secure things down. If you're going to put stuff on top of here, there are little eyelets down here, and they're holes. Screw them in there, and then you can strap stuff down. It's very rigid. Link in the description, TMat, and we'll see you on the next one.